Hey everyone, I'm going to show you real quick how to delete our 2.04, 2.07, and 2.08 quizzes. These quizzes, we are not giving these quizzes to our kids. So what we're going to do is go to our ELA homepage, click on let's start with Tools and Manage Quizzes. And we're going to make these quizzes inactive. So we're going to scroll down to our first one, which is 2.04. So scroll all the way down to 2.04 quiz, click on the drop down and click Edit. Here we are going to click Restrictions, and we're going to make the status inactive, and we are going to uncheck Has a Due Date because that will take it off the class plan. So click Inactive and Has a Due Date, save and close. We're going to do the same for 2.07 and 2.08 so that students cannot access these. So 2.07, here we are. Click Edit once again. Going to click the Restrictions tab, make sure it's inactive, uncheck Has a Due Date, save and close. And then you'll do it one more time. I'm already there to 2.08 quiz. Here we go. Edit, restrictions, inactive, uncheck, save and close. So now I'm going to double check. I think there might be one more step. I'm not sure. So you're kind of my guinea pig on the recording, but let's click the plan. Let's make sure it's off the plan. So right now we don't have any quizzes. This week is Thanksgiving break week. So let's go ahead and create a title for that, Thanksgiving break. So students know that there's no ELA work this week. And I'm going to make sure that it is set for a recurrence to end on November 23rd. Hold on a second, that's not right. We're going to start on the 19th and we're going to end on the 23rd, so not the 26th. Okay. So kids should see Thanksgiving break there so they don't click on anything or accidentally forget. I don't know if anyone will, but they might. So as you can see, those quizzes were set for here and they are off. Now let's make sure that they are hidden in the content. So you're going to click on Content and you're going to go down to Unit 2 Content on the left side. So that's not animal intelligence. That is animals and their people. And we're just going to click on 2.04 and make sure that's hidden within the content. So once we've clicked on that, scroll up a little bit, and that is in draft. So hopefully being inactive for you as well, put it in draft. Just double check all of those quizzes. I'm going to go to 2.07 evolution to make sure. Yep, that's in draft also. And then I'm going to go to 2.08. That is also in draft. So putting it as inactive from the tools section should make it in draft mode for you as well. I'm going to send out a separate recording for you on how to upload the poetry quiz that I am creating. It's going to be 10 questions and it's going to be all encompassing about poetry terms. So look for that separate recording. You can go ahead now and delete these so that students don't work ahead. Do not delete the lessons or the content because we do want students to be able to access that since our lessons are going to coincide with that. All right, thanks y'all. Have a great one.